Breaking news. My lips are purple because I was eating blueberries. But the real news is I was just browsing through some of these this software's sound effects, and I've kind of created some skits that go along with it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Got the jewels. Hope they don't mind. No, they won't mind. I'd like to welcome you all in the new president of 2077. Okay, so I want to talk about what we're gonna do about our victory over North Korea, and what we're gonna do for my video is let's try hacking this computer. I bet it's gonna work. It worked! He just got tased! Heads or tails? Okay. Heads I win, tails you lose. I mean, you caught it. Okay. So you pick
Tails.
Oh, tails, okay. Here we go. Some dinosaurs. Mommy? The FBI. Clear. What are you doing in my house? So in today's news, the topic is president. So, earlier this morning, the president got sick of sickness.
This is the story of how I wake up in the morning.
Michael, it's time to go to school.
No, it's not.
So before the bell rings, I'd like to tell you that you have pages 930. What? Yeah.
Okay. Can you repeat that?